Let's take a look at the AROEVE air purifier. Now, if you're looking for a compact air purifier for a bedroom, office, or a small room that combines particle filtration, quiet operation, and optional aromatherapy features, you may want to consider this purifier by AROEVE. The unit itself measures about 9 inches high and 6 inches all around, and it weighs about 3 pounds, so it fits easily on a nightstand or a desk or a table, and it has 360-degree air inlets all around the base where the filter is located. Now, the filter itself can be easily changed by simply twisting off the base and taking out the filter. Now, this filter is designed to capture airborne particles such as pollen, dust, pet dander, hair, and smoke. And the manufacturer recommends that you should replace it about every 3 to 6 months depending on your usage and the air quality. The controls are located on the front of the unit and are easily accessible. It's very simple to use. There's a power on and off button. There's actually 4 fan modes. You have low, medium, high, and you also have a sleep mode, which lets the unit run at about 20 decibels. So not only does it lightly filter the air, it also allows for uninterrupted sleep. It has a night light, which can be turned on and off. There's also an aromatherapy feature. You just simply pop off the cap. You place your favorite essential oil into the top pad. About 5 or 6 drops. Back on and you're all set. The air will not only be purified, but it also have a nice aromatherapy scent. Just be careful not to place the oil into the unit itself. Now, I hope this review was helpful in your decision, but for me, this air purifier by AROEVE is definitely a gotta get.